All right, no more paid courses needed, nothing here, dude. I'm gonna show you how to use AI in trading as a absolute beginner. Okay, if you're absolutely new to using AI in trading, well, to use AI in trading, it's not what you think, dude. So it's not like you just predict the next price based off of prices in the past. That's what everybody else is going to try to do. I'm gonna scroll through some code for some of you advanced coders here, and this is how you actually predict price. If you are going to predict price, you have to look at unique data. Okay, what data am I looking at? I'm looking at liquidation data. Everybody else is looking at open, high, low, close volume data. But for everybody else who's never coded before, this code isn't going to make sense right now, but by the end of the video, it will all make sense. I want to teach you step by step how to actually use AI in trading for absolute beginners, because we're all sick of those paid courses. So the first way to use AI is the easiest way. It's ChatGPT, but not just in any way. There's a process that I follow to automate my trading, and that process is the RBI system. That's RBI. And it's very, very simple to follow, but it's absolutely crucial, because a lot of people will just say, hey, I want to use AI to automate my trading. Let me go ahead and build a bot immediately. But let me tell you that it's the wrong way to go, because you don't know if that bot is actually going to work in the future. If you try to buy it off the internet, or you just go try to build a bot with ChatGPT, that's not the way. Yes, ChatGPT can help you research, which is R, research, backtest, and then implement. Okay, so if you don't go build the bot right away, you're going to do much better. Why? Because you're going to be researching trading strategies and finding a basket of strategies that you think might work. Maybe you've seen them from your trading experience. Maybe you've read some papers on Google Scholar. You've listened to podcasts like Chat with Traders. You've read books like The Market Wizards. These are all books that I have on a book list, and I'll give you the resource here at the end. But remember, if you follow my system, the RBI system, you're not going to go build a bot right away. Yes, you can use AI in trading by saying, hey, ChatGPT, build me out this bot. But do you know if that bot's going to work? No, you don't. But if you follow the RBI system, you will, because the R is research. You're researching trading strategies. You got a whole basket of trading strategies that you think might work. And guess what the B is? So RBI. The B is backtest. Backtesting is the process of taking data from the past and putting it on your strategy that you researched, backtest, implement. If you then take that strategy that you researched and you code out the backtest, you can say, hey AI, will you please go code me a backtest in a new file of an RSI plus VWAP trading strategy using backtesting.py, and use Yahoo data to download Bitcoin data. Make this a new file, please. Thank you. You can now actually use AI in trading in order to backtest. And in order to build an actual profitable trading bot, you have to have something like the RBI system. You could use any system that you want to use, but I prefer this because it's simple, it's repeatable, and I've seen thousands of people come through my YouTube channel just like you and repeat that process to have success. It's because I do not encourage people to just go build any bot. I encourage them to go through the RBI system, research, backtest, and then implement if the backtest is profitable. You can see already I'm using AI on the right side in order to code out this backtest. So boom, that's one way to use AI. But for the very advanced coders, you can read this code that I've been scrolling through. I want to make sure you get all the code right at the front of this video, because I know my videos can be very long sometimes. For the advanced AI coders here, you understand what I'm showing here. These are actually LSTM models here that are looking at liquidation data, and this is just one machine learning model that I will be working on today with you. And machine learning is actually it precedes AI. It's a part of AI, but it's a subclass, and it was here before the AI that we all look at now, like ChatGPT AI. So it's the actual AI that's used in trading. It's been used in trading for probably more than a decade now.